One Swedish word, 7 meanings. Welcome to Jaha.
Jaha is what Swedes say when they're processing information. It can mean, oh, I see. Is that so? Or, well then, depending entirely on your tone.
Jaha. 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 Okej då. Jaha. 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 Då vet jag. Jaha. Vad bra. Jaha. Ja.
Say it slowly and softly when something just clicked. Say it short and flat when you're not impressed. Same word, different mood. Very Swedish.
Jaha. 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 Okej då. Jaha. Jaha. Då vet jag. If you master Jaha, you can survive almost any Swedish conversation without saying anything else. You, the final boss of Swedish.
Swedish doesn't just have yes, it has you. You is used when you're correcting someone or disagreeing politely. Calm you, gentle correction. Firm you, I'm right and I know it.
You.
Jo,
Jo, fast nej. Jo, fast nej. Jo, det är så. Jo. 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 Fun fact. You cannot translate you properly. You must feel it. This is why Swedes sound calm, but are not. Tone may end friendships.